Why did AC coach Rhulani Mokoena could be contemplating bringing former Sundown star Bongani Zungu to the club? Zungu was the first player to be released by Sundowns after the conclusion of the 2023-2024 season. More so, in a surprising turn of events, Masan Dawana and Mokoena mutually parted ways, and the coach went on to join the Botola Pro League Giants. And speaking on Radio 2000, Mokoena has hinted at the possibility of signing Zungu ahead of the upcoming season. "I love Bongani Zungu. Bongs knows me. I know him. It's easier when you know the coach. The player knows you." And further said that there's a possibility of Zungu joining Wydad AC. He knows if he doesn't find anything, he knows my number and he can always contact me. It's not to say the door is open, the door is closed, but he is very special to me. Zungu is currently a free agent and he has been linked with the Premier Soccer League giants Kaizer Chiefs and a move to the Gulf region. The former Amiens SC midfield is also reportedly attracting interest from North African teams. Sundowns have also released Gaston Sereno, Brian Onyango, Thabiso Kutumela and Junior Mendieta. Adding to that, some of the club's technical team members have also left. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.